see that beautiful texture on there? Hello everyone, welcome to my Fhab Life channel. The Fhab Life is a one-stop hub for all things fashion, hair, health and beauty. Today I've got a hair video for you. I'm showing you how I achieve my supernatural, really versatile protective style. Annabelle and I would love for you to subscribe, wouldn't we? Yeah. So definitely hit that subscribe button and all links will be down in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, the state of my cornrows are not the best, but that doesn't really matter so much. It's a protective style. I appreciate it's not a fully protective style because I do leave my hair here in the middle. I quite like to just have my own hair out. I find that it just looks a little bit more realistic. Now all I have, if you can see, are my anchor braids. So my anchor braids is this one and this one, and they're just literally going all the way back. What does matter is that you have one braid coming down the side there and one braid coming down the side there. That's going to be really important, by the way. I'll leave all the details on the screen and down below. This is from Fhab Luxe Hair. So this is my U-part wig from Fhab Luxe Hair, and I'll just show you the way it's constructed. That's what it looks like on the inside. You have got 3 combs, 1 comb at the back, and then you have 2 combs on the side. So those are the 2 side combs here and here, which, like I said, are going to slot into the sides there. Now personally, I like to customize my U-part wigs a little bit more by adding in clip-ins. So I pop in some clip-ins just around the perimeter there so that I can slot them into this braid and then just click and snap shut like that, so they will slip into there. So we are almost finished. What I'm going to do now is run a straightener. Actually, rather than using a hair straightener, what I like to use is my straightening brush. It is essentially a hairbrush, but it's got a plate on there that gets really hot. I've put it not on the highest heat, but I still want to keep some of that texture, which is why I didn't want to use the hair straighteners. But my hair, by the way, is relaxed, but I haven't relaxed it for quite some time, so it has naturally got a little bit of a texture on it anyway, which works quite well with the Kinky Straight. Can you see that beautiful texture on there? If you can hear some whispering and other voices, Annabelle is making a little den on the floor there.
Hi, I'm just doing my other hair.
That's my other hair, that's my wig. Do you want to show them? And playing with Spider-Man. So there we have it, super easy to put on and take off each day. You just, I think, need to make sure that you're not putting heat on your own hair every day or too regularly. I tend not to actually put much heat at all, which means that sometimes it doesn't look like it blends absolutely perfectly, but because I haven't relaxed my hair for a while, it actually blends quite well with the Kinky Straight, and it just allows you to have the versatility to have your hair straight down, or if you want, you can have, you know, like a half updo. Again, this was the 20-inch Kinky Straight from Fhab Luxe Hair, and I just love that texture. It's also super soft. It's got that texture of coarseness, but it is actually pretty soft, which means that it's easy to handle and to manipulate and just to take care of, really. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm super happy with it. If you like putting baby hairs and gels, you can go ahead and slick down your edges, which I obviously haven't done there. You can put more oils or creams on your own leave out. I really don't like to do too much of that, but yeah, by all means go ahead and slick back, add your baby hairs, add your gels, add your creams, whatever you like. This is more about showing you the braiding pattern and the hair itself. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.